In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of a photo in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or any other creative project, changing the background color can give your design a fresh and vibrant look. So let's dive in. To start, you'll want to go to Canva's official website. If you don't have it bookmarked already, simply type canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you're prompted, click Continue to proceed. After that, you'll need to select the account you want to use. You might see a few options if you have multiple accounts, so be sure to pick the right one. Again, click Continue to move forward. Once you're logged in, you should be on Canva's homepage, which is your starting point for all sorts of creative endeavors. Next, navigate to the project you want to work on. If it's a new project, you can start with one of Canva's templates or create a custom design from scratch. But if you're modifying an existing design, locate it in your list of projects and open it up. Once your project is open, find the part of the image where you want to change the background color. Click directly on the background, which will activate it for editing. Now look for a small icon that represents the background color. It usually appears at the top of your screen when the background is selected. Clicking on this icon will bring up Canva's color palette. This is where the fun begins. You'll see a wide range of colors to choose from, or you can even input your own color code if you have something specific in mind. After selecting your desired color, watch as the background of your photo changes instantly. This simple adjustment can really transform the feel of your image, making it more fitting for your particular theme or brand colors. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully changed the background color using Canva. Remember, if you're unhappy with your choice, you can always repeat these steps to try a different color until you find the perfect match. Experiment with different shades to discover what works best for your design. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Enjoy creating in Canva, and don't forget to explore all the other creative possibilities it offers.